If you're a teacher, writing lesson notes shouldn't be one of your worries because there's an app that can do that within just a minute. And also, if you are not a teacher, you can be using this app to generate lesson plans for teachers and gaining something small. The most interesting part is this app is free. You don't have to pay anything before you can use this app. Before I show you how you can download and use this app, please hit the follow button and also don't forget to like this video. In one of our previous videos, we were talking about the Edimate GH app, but guess what? The name have been changed from Edimate GH to Edimate Africa. So if you're not having it, just open your App Store or Google Play Store and download the Edimate Africa app. Now that you have it, let's jump right into action. Let me show you how you can generate lesson plans with the Edimate Africa app. So I'm going to launch my Edimate Africa app. If you don't have it, just go to Google Play Store to download it. Or if you're on iOS, you can just go to App Store and download it. I'm already having it, so I'm just going to launch it. If you are opening it for the first time, you're going to create your profile here or your account over here. I've already created my account, so what I'm going to do is that I'm going to create my lesson notes over here. So you can click here to start creating your lesson plan, or you can also click here, generate lesson plan notes. So the choice is yours. So mine, I'm going to click here, and then I'm going to choose the educational level I'm teaching. So let's say I'm junior high school, so I'm just going to choose junior high school. Then you select the class you're creating the lesson plan for. So let's say GHS2, that's the basic 8. Then you scroll through the subjects, the given subject, and select your preferred subject. So mine is computing, so I'm just going to select computing. Then I'm going to select the strand I'm going to create the lesson plan for. So let's say it is productivity software, so I'm just going to select productivity software. Then I'll click on continue. Then I'm going to choose my sub-strand. So let's say introduction to desktop publishing. So I'm just going to choose that one and click on continue. So here we are going to choose a content standard. For some strands or sub-strands, they have more than one content standard. So for my case, it is only one, so I'm just going to choose it. Then I'll click on continue. So when you get here, you're going to select the indicators. So the maximum you can select out of these indicators is 5. So let's say this is my first indicator, second, third, fourth, and fifth. So after selecting the 5, you can select other indicators again. Once you're done selecting your indicators, just click on continue. Then you're going to enter the name of your school here and the teacher's name here. So let me say GPO International School. Then I'm going to type the name of the teacher over here. So let's say Great Filippo. Then you scroll down and select the term. Either we are in first term, second term, or the third term. So let me select second term. Then you enter the week number. Let's say we are in week 5. So just enter the week number. So 5. Then you enter the week ending. So let's say the week will end on 15th March 2026. So after typing the week ending over here, just scroll down and type the duration of the subject over here. So let's say mine is 55 minutes. 55 minutes. Just type it over here, and then you scroll down and type your class size over here. So my class size is 26. So 26 over here. Then you scroll down, and here you have to choose the model, and the first one is free. It takes a bit longer to generate your lesson plan, so let's say about 2 minutes. And the second one is fast and also accurate. For you to use the second one, you need to watch advert to get coins before you can use the second one. So if you want to watch advert to get fast and accurate responses, you can choose the second one. But if you want the free version, that's take a bit of time before the lesson plan is generated. You can just choose it and move forward. So for the purpose of this video, let me choose the free AI, and then you select the days. Maybe you'll be teaching the generated lesson plan on Monday and Wednesday and also Friday. You just select the days. If you're teaching it throughout the week, you can select all the days over here. So for my case, I'm teaching it only Monday and Wednesday. Once the days is selected, you just click on generate lesson plan. So our lesson plan is generating, and the estimated time is 2 to 3 minutes. So let's cross our fingers and then watch it how it's going to generate it. Okay, so our lesson plan have been generated. So if you watch here, it have generated 5 lesson plans based on the number of indicators we selected. We selected 5 indicators, so 5 lesson plan is ready. So if you want to check the number 2, the number 3 and others, you just use the next or the previous. Once you are done going through, you can click on this download button to save it on your phone. And once you click on it, it will ask you if you want it in a PDF format or a Word document format. And in the PDF, we have the portrait PDF and we have the landscape. And for the Word document, we have the portrait document and you have the landscape. But note that when you download it in PDF format, you can't edit it because it is in a PDF. And if you download it in a Word document, you can go ahead and edit it and tweak it on how you want it. So for my case, I don't want to edit it, so I'm just going to download the PDF version, and I want the landscape, so I'm just going to click. Okay, so downloading have been completed. And also there are some phones you can't directly download the generated lesson plan. So what you're going to do is that once you click on the download and then select the format you want, so let's say this format, then you wait. Then once it is done generating, it will give you the option where you want to save it. So going through these options, some of the phones you can't find your file manager over here. So what you're going to do is that you can send it to yourself on WhatsApp. So just select WhatsApp, and when the WhatsApp opens, you're going to send it to ourselves. So just click on the search button and type you. Okay, so my account is here, so just click on it and then send it to yourself. And you can see that the lesson plan is here, and I've successfully sent the lesson plan to myself. Here is it. Before we leave, don't forget to share this app with your colleague teachers, and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Until then, don't forget to stay active and stay connected. This is Great Filippo. Until we meet again.